But I can hear you. I can hear you clearly.
Yes, now we both can see
Okay.
and yeah, yeah.
Okay. So welcome. So this is again one more time I'm talking to one of my subscribers to see because
Yes,
your case looked very interesting to me because you sent me some documents that you
right.
got. So I'm
Yep.
gonna open them 1 second. Yeah. All right. So first of all, I would like to ask you like where are you now?
I'm in India,
You're in India. Which city?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. So before I open this job offer, first of all, I would like to know like how did you get this job offer?
I was applying for a couple of jobs in Canada because I'm trying to migrate on skilled migration. All the documents are ready for visa assessment and remaining for like my wife visa assessment everything. So in the way of searching jobs, I applied for a couple of jobs, but I'm not sure whether I applied for the same company or
Okay.
not.
So my
And
question to you like did you apply it on job portals or on Facebook or somewhere else? Because a lot of job
job
advertisements are
job portals through
job portals.
LinkedIn.
Okay.
Otherwise, maybe Indeed Canada.
Okay. In LinkedIn nowadays, lot of fake job offers are there. Like people have created fake profiles and they are trying to uh, deceive people. All right. So,
Yep.
have you paid them anything till now?
No.
Okay, good. Uh, did you ask them about process like LMIA and all? Because,
No.
okay. Now let me ask you, like, what is your job profile? What do you do exactly?
Actually, my background is pharmacy,
Pharmacy.
bachelor's and master's. I was running my own business in Australia for like 4 years. It's a retail
It's okay. I got
supermarket.
some information. But before you proceed, like, if you want to practice pharmacy in Canada, you know that this is a
Hmm.
licensed occupation and you need your
Yes.
license from Pharmacy Evaluation Board of Canada, PEBC. And it's
Yep.
not gonna be just like right away. Like if somebody offers you a job of pharmacy, you come and do. So that itself means that this is not correct. Whatever is going on. Now I'll go through the
Hmm.
letters that you have sent me.
Hmm.
I'm trying to open the first letter. Let me
Yep.
see if I can share my screen so that I can go along with you.
Hmm.
Uh, avoid video settings and navigate window into full screen. I go, but okay, I'm not able to share the screen due to some reason. I don't know why. But still, but it's okay. I can open it for you.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. All right. So you open the first letter that Lackland Health. Okay. So first of all, you need to observe one thing. If
Hmm.
you start reading the first paragraph, as a recruitment manager of Lalkan Health Solutions Canada, I hereby, on behalf of the above name, enters agreement with you. I urge you to abide by the rules and ethics guiding the organization. We shall welcome you as one of our employees. Look, the level of English, what he has written. As one of our employees. So this guy doesn't even know English properly. And
Yep.
hope that you will find your employment with a satisfactory. We are pleased to offer you employment with the Lalkan Health Solution upon the following terms and conditions. Wow. Your commencing date with Lalkan will be stipulated on the appointment letter if you are successful upon the probation period with 3 months. Okay. From the date of commencement. Job location Regina, Saskatchewan. This address is correct. This they have copied from the website. Now there are so many things I am seeing that itself proves immediately that this is a fake. Your basic salary will be 8,000 Canadian. This is a huge amount. Huge.
Yes.
This is not possible to get it so easily, first of all. Accommodation and company quarters. First of all, in India we use this word quarters. This is not a word that we use here. This is again something that is not right. Okay, now sick leave. You must notify the company or immediate supervisor as soon as possible if you are unable to work for medical reasons. Such notice will be given within the first few hours of working in case of emergency. So you can see the spelling mistake. In case of emergency, this guy has written emergency. So this whole letter that he has prepared, he has tried a lot. Like he has tried to use what do you call word correction and all, but his English is not good enough. And see this signature, this is not done. See this small cut over here. He has copied
Yeah.
it from somewhere, from a different
Yes.
document somewhere. He has copied it and he has pasted
Okay.
it over here. That's the first thing. Now let me go to the second letter that he has sent. That letter is absolutely fake.
Yeah.
Okay, this is your letter of appointment. So, too excited to call you our new customer service manager. See the spelling of manager. He has written manage.
Yes.
On the below mentioned terms condition, you are hereby directed to join the company on or before 30th October in our premier office. Wow. Office number. Instead of address, he has written, okay, fine. Employee code. During communication with our support team, cost to the company, replacement, sales cycle, normal. Okay, now here you see. In the previous letter, he had written 3 months of probation. Here, this guy
Yes,
has
1
written
month.
1 month of, yeah. So this is again same signature, this cut. You can clearly see this white cut over here. So this
Yes.
makes this absolutely fake. Absolutely fake. There is a word in Hindi, chore. Whoever is doing is an absolute chore. Is doing like what do you call, like they have first of all another thing you see here, cost to the company. You see the gap between compliances and other employee benefit. What does it mean?
Yes.
He has tried to use Microsoft Word. He has typed this in Microsoft Word, but in spacing he could not do it well, and then he saved it as a PDF. So if somebody has made it either in laptop or cyber cafe or somewhere and is
Mm-hmm.
trying to fool people.
Okay.
Yeah, this is absolutely fake. This letter is absolutely fake. In fact, both the
Okay.
letters are absolutely fake. So
Right.
let me
Right.
ask you a question. Did they ask any money from you?
No, actually, they mentioned everything like, they're going to take care of my visa expenses, traveling, accommodation.
Wow.
Even they did not mention like, to pay any single dollar
Okay.
into their account. But after they're sending me like, appointment letter for my job, and then they mentioned like, one of our immigration lawyer who is located in Delhi. So he sent me those details and he asked me to like, send these 2 documents, what I got from the Health Solutions company, and tell them like you are the new employee who is going to start your job in Canada, Saskatchewan, and so on and so did. So the visa officer will take care from there. That's what he told me.
Wow. This is absolutely fake, first of all. Second thing, nowadays, like visa application centers are closed in India. So the only way to
Yeah.
apply is online, and even if it is applied online, you cannot get it stamped because visa application centers
Yes.
for Canada are closed. So this guy
Mm-hmm.
probably did not know that. All of a sudden he's making up stories. But even just with the first look at the letter, anybody could say this is something he has typed in Microsoft Word, and then
Okay.
he has tried to fool you. Exactly. Absolutely fake this
Okay.
is. Now, like it's your decision if you want to go ahead with this or not. But based on my understanding, based on my experience, by looking at this letter, the level of poor English that has been used, I can say this is absolutely fake.
Okay. And also one more thing, they even didn't ask me like a single dollar,
They
and they
have
just
not
wanted to
asked you
like
now, but
yeah.
but later on they would, because a lot of scammers are using this method.
Okay.
Initially
Because
they say no,
initially
but
they
later
asked
on
like
they yes. And you know what? For sometimes they ask people to send their passport and all. So people send their
yeah.
passport, then it became hostage. You want to get your
Yeah.
passport back, pay us money. Such scams are also there.
And also in the initial email, like, when I got it on September 8th, they did ask me for all the documents, like, my passport details, like my
Yeah,
date of
yeah.
birth, passport copy. I told them straight away, like, I'm going to send all the documents in the later in the recruitment process, but not now. So then they told, like, do
And see
company
this
assessment, like,
date format. See this date format. In Canada, we write month first, then date, then
yeah,
year.
exactly.
This is also
Exactly,
not
exactly.
correct. So this guy, whoever has made this, is like definitely he has used Word. The way he has used this fonts, the spacing, the gap, everything clearly indicates to me that he has made it somewhere in his Microsoft Word, and then
Uh-huh.
he has saved it in PDF, and now he's trying to do some fancy process in order to take money.
Okay. And when I Google this Lakan Health Solution, there isn't a website.
Yeah,
I feel
that
it was genuine at that time.
yes, the website is there. I also checked. In fact, this address, everything, this guy has copied from there.
No.
Not at all, first of all. Second thing, you are a pharmacist, you need a license. It's not going to happen that you land here and next day you start sitting at a pharmacy as a pharmacist.
Yep, you're
And
right.
moreover, in first letter he wrote 3 months, second he wrote 1 month, then
1 month.
gap. Doesn't make any sense. If you see any genuine letter, that doesn't come with all these mistakes. It's absolutely fake. Now it's up to you.
Okay.
If I would be at your place, I would never go ahead with such a letter.
Yeah, I even know because I was in a confusion. So when I got the offer letter and employment contract and all, then I thought I need a clarification from someone who got an expert at doing this. So
Yeah,
I
I'm
got
not saying I'm
I
an
was
expert, but you don't need any expertise to verify these letters. Clearly, I can say he has made it in Word and doing this.
Yeah. Yep.
Cost to the company 8,000 CAD, Canada dollars per month expenses. Wow, great.
So when I got that job offer, related to customer service manager, I thought they might be considering because I got a business experience, in a retail supermarket. Based upon that profile, they might offering me a job in different domain. Not even it's related to my education. I was thinking in
I
that way.
understand. Even here they have written customer service manage, not even manager. Wow, he's
Manager,
making you a
yeah.
manager all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I hope it is clear for you now. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thanks for your time. This will help
Thank
others
you.
also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. No
Yeah,
problem.
thank you.
Bye.
Bye.